Hello students, algebraic expression and identities. Today in this video we'll see the multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Monomial means only having the single term. Let us see by an example. 3x into 5y. Now in this expression the two terms 3x and 5y both are the monomials. When they are multiplied, their coefficients are multiplied and the variable is multiplied by variable. So 3 into 5 is 15 and x into y is xy. Let us see another example. 4ab into minus of 5bc. Now in these two terms we can see that the term b, this variable b is common. So we have to first multiply the constant with the constant. 4 into minus 5 is minus of 20 into a. Then b into b is b square and c. So that the product is minus 20ab square c. Now let us see the exercise questions. Exercise 9.2. Question number 1. We'll see 2 or 3 questions, and remaining you can do by yourself for your practice. The third option, minus of 4p multiplied by 7pq. So now these two terms, they are multiplied. We'll write in the multiplication form. Minus 4p into 7pq. Now in these two, first we'll have to multiply the constant. Minus 4 into 7 is minus of 28. And p into p is p square q, like this. Now the next option, 4p cube multiplied by minus of 3p. Coefficients, they are multiplied. 4 into minus 3 is minus of 12. And p cube into p is p to the power 4. Next option, 4p multiplied by 0. Now we know that any number, any expression multiplied by 0 gives us 0. So 4p into 0 is 0. Next question, which says that find the area of the rectangle with the following pair of the monomial as their length and breadth. Area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. Now in this option we take 20x square as length and 5y square as breadth. So area is given by length into breadth. So finding the area by the multiplication, 20x square into 5y square. Coefficient is multiplied. 20 into 5 is 100. X square into y square. So the area is 100x square y square. In the same way you can multiply the other one also. In the next question, table is given and you have to find out the product. That you can do by yourself by filling the product in the book only, or you can make it in copy also. Next is question number 4. To obtain the volume. To obtain the volume when the length, breadth and height is given. So we know that length of a rectangular box and breadth of a rectangular box and height of rectangular box, when they are multiplied they give the volume. So for a rectangular box, just like in a cuboid, the volume is given by length into breadth into height. V is equals to L into B into H. Now suppose this option, xy, 2x square y and 2xy square. Here we take each of the term as length, breadth and height. The volume is given as the multiplication of these three, as in this form, xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. Now the constant coefficients, they are multiplied. 2 into 2 is 4. Then the multiplication of x into x square into x. X to the power 4. X into x square into x is total x to the power 4. Then y into y square is again y to the power 4. This is the volume given. Now in the same way you can multiply the terms to find out the volume. So rest you practice by yourself. Question number 5, again to obtain the product. Obtaining the product, given are the 4 terms, they are multiplied together. A into 2B into 3C into 6ABC. Now the coefficients, they are multiplied together. 2 into 3 into 6. 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 6 is 36. Now A is multiplied to A gives A square. B multiplied to B gives B square. And C multiplied to C gives C square. So that is how you can obtain the product. Let us see one more example. M multiplied by minus of Mn multiplied by Mnp. Minus sign is single term, so it is written first. Then M into M is M cube. Then N is multiplied to N gives you N square. And then P is the single term, so multiplied as P. So that the answer is minus of M cube N square P. Now in the same way you can multiply the other question also and can find out the product. Thank you.